Here's a stock's price, one number for each day. You may buy once and sell once on a later day. Pick 2 days badly and you lose money. Pick them well and you win. The whole game is finding the best pair without checking every pair there is. The rules are simple. You get the price of a stock on each day. Buy on one day, sell on a strictly later day, and you keep the difference. Return the maximum profit you could have made. Here, buying at 1 and selling later at 6 earns 5. But if prices only ever fall, every sale loses money, so you just don't buy, and the answer is 0, never negative. The instinct is brute force. Take every possible buy day, and for each one, look at every later sell day, keeping the biggest gain you find. It absolutely works. But count the work. With n days, there are about n squared over 2 pairs to check. 6 days is 15 pairs, nothing. But 1,000 days is 500,000, and 100,000 days is 5 billion. That's quadratic time, and it falls over fast.
Now the flip. To make the most money selling today, you don't care about every earlier day. You care about exactly one, the cheapest day so far. So walk forward once and ask one question. If I sell today, bought at the lowest price behind me, what do I make? Watch it run. Keep 2 things, the cheapest price so far and the best profit so far. Day 0, price 7, that's the cheapest yet. Day 1, price 1, cheaper still, our buy line drops. Day 2, price 5, sell now and we'd make 4, new best. Keep going. Day 3, price 3, only 2 profit, best stays 4. Day 4, price 6, and now we'd make 5, new best. Day 5, price 4, just 3, no improvement. 1 pass and the answer is 5. Buy at 1, sell at 6. Look at everything we kept, 2 numbers, the cheapest price so far and the best profit so far. No nested loop, no second array, just one walk down the list. So the cost, 1 pass is order n, linear time. 2 variables is order 1, constant space. That 5 billion pair nightmare is gone. 100,000 days is now 100,000 simple steps.
And the falling market? Watch the cheapest day keep sliding forward while every profit comes out negative. The best profit never leaves 0. The algorithm quietly tells you, don't buy. Here's the shape worth remembering. Set the minimum to infinity and the best to 0. For each price, update the minimum, then update the best with price minus minimum. That's the whole solution. 3 takeaways. 1, you rarely need every pair. Track the best baseline behind you. 2, 1 pass and 2 variables beat a nested loop. 3, this min tracking shape shows up far beyond stocks. Want to try it yourself? The interactive version is on Unrote.com, link in the description. Understand it, don't memorize it. We'll see you in the next one.